Hello and welcome to Mark in the Park, the program from Urbana Park District where we let you know what's going on in your parks and in the community. Remember, at Urbana Park District, you belong here. I'm Mark Schultz, and we are joined by Niki Hoesman, Community Programs Coordinator today. Hello, Niki.
How's it going?
I'm doing great.
Good.
And I'm doing even better because I like food.
Yes.
And I like to prepare food.
Yes.
And the Park District now has a way that people can prepare food.
We do.
Tell us about the James Room Kitchen at Phillips Recreation Center.
We're so excited. It's going to open pretty soon. We've had a lot of input from the community. People just really want this learning kitchen. It's very popular now. Kitchen classes, cooking classes. So yeah, we're really excited. It's gonna be able to seat about 12 people. We have a huge island. We'll have a pretty big screen with a camera that faces down, so when you're sitting in the far back of the room, it feels like you're in the front of the room. It's going to be a really nice setup.
So this is like a Food Channel kitchen set.
It's legit. Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah,
and it's at Phillips Recreation Center in the James Room.
Yes.
And now you have you said that you got this from community feedback. People want this.
Yes, it's definitely something that's kind of on the rise. A lot of different organizations are taking advantage of people wanting kitchen classes, and especially nutrition classes. That's something that's really become more popular.
A lot of people are becoming foodies,
yes,
and they like that. But also, too, there's a lot more awareness of nutrition and healthy eating.
For sure, yeah, absolutely.
And the demonstration kitchen is being built, and we talked about it a little bit, but what do you hope this kitchen accomplishes?
I hope it accomplishes a lot. I really hope that it brings people not only to our building, but to just kind of showcase the Park District and what we have to offer. I really hope that people can learn a lot of life skills and a lot of just important things from this kitchen. I do kids programs specifically, and I'm super excited about getting kids in there and teaching them about cooking, kitchen safety, all different things like that.
So we're stressing that this is for everybody of all ages and abilities.
Yes, of course, yeah.
And I'm interested in what one of the kids' classes is going to be. A, are they going to bake cookies, and B, can I have some?
Absolutely. Yes to both. We have a lot of fun kids classes coming up. One that I'm super excited about in May, we're going to have the kids for about 4 hours. They're going to cook with us, and then they're going to invite their family to come in and eat what they had just prepared.
Oh, fun.
So it's going to be a really cool, I'm excited.
I remember as a kid I was preparing a dish or preparing something, and I always enjoyed when my family made over it.
Right.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm
That's
excited.
awesome. And then for people a little bit our age, maybe a little bit older, there's other things too.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a competition cook-off coming up in a couple weeks, so people can make their best version of macaroni and cheese, and they'll be able to share it with the community, so it's free to come in and taste test macaroni and cheese. I'll be there.
All right.
But yeah, and the best macaroni and cheese, will have a prize for them. We also have an International Foods Fair later in April, so people from all different cultures can bring in a dish from their culture and share it with their friends and their community.
We want to stress that this is just beginning at the time of this recording. The kitchen is just beginning, so you're kind of feeling your way along for what you're looking for.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got a lot of other things, not just events. We have specific cooking classes with Adam from Breakfast, Life, and Dinner. He's a professional chef. He'll come in and do, I think, 3 or 4 classes with us between May and August. I'm really excited about those too.
That's great. And so all these things, you can sign up, and you go on urbanaparks.org to sign up for any of these cooking and nutrition classes.
Yes.
All right. Niki Hoesman, Community Programs Coordinator, is our guest today. Now, do people need to know how to cook before they take this class?
Absolutely not. No, we'll have some kitchen basics classes. I think we're even thinking of like a knife skills class, just a lot of different things that are important to know and to have those basics when you're teaching.
Fortunately, I have all my digits, and I haven't had to have any. I haven't had any stitches from cooking and kitchen mishaps. But that is an important thing. It's important,
yeah. It's something that's often overlooked. But yeah, we're planning to do a lot of different kitchen basics classes
and stove safety too.
Yes, absolutely.
I did burn my arm one time on a hot pan. So yes, stove safety. So so this is a very exciting thing to start with. Now you're having some programs starting, and people can look on urbanaparks.org to
Absolutely.
find
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
But if people are interested in something else, or they have an idea what might be a good cooking class,
Yeah.
how do they get in touch with you?
Yeah, definitely reach out to me. All my information is on the urbanaparks.org, and I would love to take the public's input and see what people are most interested in, not only teaching but learning. And I would love to showcase people's abilities in that way.
And you can call Phillips Recreation Center at 217-367-1544. And again, the people can look up in our program guide,
Yep.
and they can look online to find out all the different things happening in our brand new kitchen.
Yes, we're so excited.
And it's something that
Yes.
I've seen it.
We've
It's
been
really
waiting
neat.
for a while. Yeah, yeah.
Very neat. Niki, thank you for your
Yeah,
time
thanks.
today. Niki Hoesman is our guest today, talking about the James Room Kitchen, a place where you can have fun, learn some cooking, and learn some nutrition too. Go on urbanaparks.org or call Phillips Recreation Center for more information about classes, or if you have a suggestion for something you would like to learn. Thanks for joining us today on Mark in the Park. Have a good day.